So welcome to MagicBand Plus. Here we have the new MagicBand Plus just released today, July 27th, and wow, does it look amazing. Guys, this is literally the best MagicBand of all life. It's so chunky, it's massive. I mean, the old MagicBand compared to this one is incredible. I'll show you guys in a minute. But what you get in your box is you get your MagicBand. You can see here, it's got Disney on the back model. You can see, and it's got the charger point on there, and then the charger is here, similar to an Apple Watch one, and how you use it is just clips in there like that, nice and neatly, and it lights up green when you start charging it. But yeah, I thought that was really cool. It comes in this box, like here, nice MagicBand box. And yeah, $34.99. But yeah, in this review video today, we're gonna get right into it, see the insides of this, see the color schemes, and yeah. So this is the old MagicBand compared to the new one, and you can see it's much bigger, rounder and such longer because you have the adult strap here. You can change it, and this kid strap, and then the adult one down there. So it's much longer. This out, there you go, like that. That is a lot bigger than that. Mickey, this one doesn't have the grey outline, but I really like this design, and it's more like boxy. So this charger is like similar to an Apple Watch charger. You just pop it on, so it just clips in there neatly, and then it just shuts on. It's my little portable charger that I just plugged it into, and then to show it's charging, this is charging now because it's got the corner. When I plugged it in, it went green up here, and the Mickey lit up. Similar to what happens when you like go into the parks or log in to anything with the MagicBand, the actual reader goes green. This actually goes green, so that's nice. And then here, yeah. So this is, I really like the difference. It's much more chunkier, much more like an Apple Watch, and a lot different. But so now we're going to see if we can activate it. So that is what the box says, and this is the red MagicBand. So Disney put no exchange, no refunds, no returns MagicBand, and it says at the bottom here it works with Alexa. See Parks MagicBand Plus rechargeable. And then there's a QR code which we're going to scan in a second. Discover more about MagicBand. Use your MagicBand to unlock interactive experiences and more. Scan the QR code for additional information about the MagicBand Plus and our private practices. So this is just showing you what it does. The box is a bit ripped there, but yeah, one band fit most. Smaller size, push the inner band. Make sure the MagicBand is fitted securely. The icon is visible. Cool. So that is the MagicBand box, and that's what you get with the box. You get your charger. You get your charger up here. Don't get the battery pack, that is mine. You get all the way up to this cable and this band, so you get the charger included with the band, so you don't have to worry about buying a charger separately, which I think it's quite good as well, because you know you pay enough money already. I mean, how much is it? I think it's 34. Let's just have a look. Yeah, they're $34.99. Yeah, quite good for Disney, seeming that most of the actual MagicBands that aren't customized are $34, but this one was $34.99, so that's $34.99, so about $35. So that was really good actually. Did like that. But it's different than the other one, which I like, and it's actually chunky, which is nice. But now we're going to go ahead and we're going to charge it, and then we're going to activate it on the app. So I've scanned the MagicBand, the back barcode on the back of the box, and now we're in this page. So get started with MagicBand Plus. I've already seen the video, so getting started with MagicBand Plus, set up your MagicBand, just 4 easy steps. Tap MagicBand with your device, unbox your mat and power it on, holding and releasing the button on your phone. Then once you tap the band to your phone, then tap the band on your phone and power it on and holding down and releasing the button on the back once. Then tap the band to your phone. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I've managed to actually pair the MagicBand, and now I'm just installing the update on it. If you look here, you can see while it's updating, it's actually on rainbow, which is quite nice. See, the other one never did this, and I think it's a really nice addition to have, actually, because this is nice. But yeah, it's going to be really nice to see this in the parks later, and see how it reacts with Harmonious and Enchantment, actually, because this MagicBand, I mean, look at that colour scheme. The colours look really nice. It looks like there's some nice, really bright LEDs in there. It's just sitting on my charger here while I'm updating it. But yeah, look really nice. Really happy with it so far, and let's see how it interacts with the parks and all the other things in the parks. So you can do different light up themes. So you can have red, orange. And there's red, orange, yellow, green, ocean blue, blue, sky blue, purple, pink. But yeah, they're all really nice colours, and they all work really well. My personal favourite's red. But yeah, you can see the 4 LEDs in the corners light up, and then the 2 in the Mickey light up. So that's quite nice. There's a function. But yeah, that's what will happen when it interacts with different things. It will light up with this. So I guess when you log into a park, it will light up in this colour, as well as the machine, the actual thing, touch point light up in green. But yeah, really nice like that. Maybe the touch point lights up in red. We'll see later. Because it's my band colour, so it would make more sense. But anyway, that'll bring us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and that is the MagicBand Plus.